Chloe here from the Chloe Reese Academy, and today you're going to learn a badass hand combo. Don't be alarmed, we're going to break that down step by step and I'm going to be with you all the way. Let's get started. I'm going to turn around so you can follow me. First things first, we're going to do a chop punch to the left. So we're ready, we're going to do chop, punch to the left in a forward stance. We're then going to do a chop to the right, keeping our stance fixed. We're going to come under, returning the right hand to the top of the shoulder on the left. We're going to re-chamber and come back out with that strike into a punch, and that's where we're going to change our hips and switch the stance over. Okay, and again from the top. To our left, chop punch in a forward stance. Then to the right, chop. We're going to come under, knife hand attack, re-chop, and then switch the stance, flip the hips for that reverse punch. Now this next bit, we're going to focus on the footwork first. So the footwork alone, the front leg is going to jump back to halfway in between your current stance to here. Okay, left knee is going to pop up into like a chamber position, and then you're going to just shoot straight back out to where we were. So without the pause, it should look like this. Now, if we want to add the hands in, we're in our reverse punch. We're going to do a palm strike with our right hand when our knee's up high. We're going to jump back, palm strike, reverse punch again. So let's go from the top. We have chop punch to the left, chop, come under, re-chop, then switch to hips, reverse punch. Hop back, palm strike, reverse punch. My right hand is going to open up, elbow leads over the top to here, which is like a high block and then a block underneath my solar plex, protecting my chest. So you're coming around here. We're in our reverse punch. Right hand's going to come round, over the top, shift my stance, back fist. And you can stand up out of your stance for that. Back fist on the right hand. Chop punch, okay, to the right. Then from here, we're going to spin. Now a spin consists of 2 steps, okay? 1 feet together, 2 into that stance facing forwards. So again, from our reverse punch, we've come over the top to here. We're going to re-clench that bottom fist, stand up for that back fist, look where you're attacking, bam, here. You're then going to go into a chop punch to your right, turn, 1, 2, high block punch, and then you're going to switch stance. So everything switches, your hands and your feet, for a switch punch here. Okay? Then you're going to step that front leg back, come down with like a low knife hand attack, boom, down here, side kick up, and down to finish. And that currently is set to the side kick being on the right leg, but if you don't want to kick on the right, you do the switch punch, and then instead of switching back and kicking, you would literally just step your back foot across. So left leg comes across, downward knife attack, side kick, and down. Are you ready to go again? I'm going to face you guys this time, and hopefully you get a different angle on everything that you're learning. So we have chop punch to the left, chop to the right, under, over, punch. Okay, so only on the punch we switch our stance. Right, now from here we have that funny skip step, which is palm strike to punch. We're going to come over the top, hands wrap around to here, okay? Take our gaze towards our right, and at the same time stand up out of the stance, back fist. You're then going to drop back into that stance to the right hand side, chop punch. We're then going to do our turn. So 2 steps, 1, 2, as we're coming out of that turn, switch steps. So everything switches. Feet and hands to here. And then you can either step back and side kick with your right and down, or from here, you're just gonna step that back foot across. Down, exactly the same thing, and down, entirely up to you. Guys, I hope you're having fun with these videos and you're enjoying this hand combination. Remember, it takes time to learn these hand combinations. Practice, slow it down, watch the hand combination in slow-mo, and you'll have it in no time at all. Keep training hard, guys, and if you've got any questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Also, give me your ideas for new videos up and coming. I do new videos every single week. Take care, guys. I'll catch you next time. Goodbye.